So today we're here in Muzaffarabad and it's a very happy occasion. So what are we doing here today in Muzaffarabad? So we were here at this exact location around 2 years ago. We saw the situation, the conditions of the Kashmiri refugees who are living here. And as a team we decided we need to move these people out of the tents and into homes, just as we do in Syria and in other countries, but it's the same vision here in Kashmir.
बहुत खुश हैं जी बस हमारी नई जिंदगी शुरुआत हो रही है.
When we spoke to the families today, they told us even though you came to visit us 2 years ago, we didn't actually believe that this project would come to fruition. But alhamdulillah, we're here today. The tents are being emptied, as you can see. We're going to load the trucks, get the families onto the coach and take them to their new homes in Jigsaw Village 3.
पिछले रमजान में आपने जो हमारे साथ वादा किया था वो आप लोगों ने पूरा किया. आप लोगों का बहुत 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 शुक्रिया.